Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites: Azure AD, Intune license, and admin roles so devices can enroll securely. Once done, set MDM user scope and pick the platforms you'll support. This ensures policies apply only where needed. Create device groups now using dynamic rules. This lets you target policies automatically while keeping naming consistent. Make sure conditional access requirements align with compliance rules to prevent access issues later. These first actions get enrollment moving and prevent common permission hiccups. Next, you create compliance and configuration policies to enforce security and usability. Start with compliance rules: password complexity, encryption, minimum OS to block risky devices. This protects data and enables conditional access. Then build device profiles for Wi-Fi, VPN, email, and restrictions so users have a ready environment. Add apps, assign them to device or user groups, and pre-configure required VPN or token settings. This reduces support calls. Once the policies and apps are finished by enrolling a handful of test devices to verify the full chain: enrollment, policy application, app delivery, and conditional access enforcement. If things go wrong, use the Intune troubleshooting blade and device diagnostic logs to see failures and timestamps so you know why a push failed. Make sure licenses and user scopes are correct. Resync or remove and re-enroll devices when needed. One key tip: check group membership and dynamic rule logic. Misclassification is the most frequent silent culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.